Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. As you guys can see from the title, you guys see I am working with my first wig, which you guys know this is one of my top hair companies. I've been working with them for years now, so obviously I love their products. I definitely would like for you to take a look at the link in my bio, or description box I should say, y'all. Child, Instagram got me on the chokehold, okay? Anywho, when you get a chance, definitely take a look at the description box. I'm definitely going to be sure to leave any like coupons or anything like that they provide for me as well, because you guys, this unit, baby, okay? First of all, this is fresh out of the packaging. You know, I wanted to get into the video because there was really not much for me to do in terms of prepping the wig. It was literally a style and go, which I absolutely love. But that part, baby, okay, it took a minute. So I decided to wear the unit in a side part, which obviously you guys saw it did come in the middle part. And that can be a little bit tricky when you're not doing it on a mannequin head. So it took me a little minute to really get the part situated. And once I did, I was like, oh yeah, we're definitely going to do a deep side bang. Kind of like 90s vibe is what I was going for. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm testing out this new little backdrop setup. So let me know what you feel about it. I think it's giving very studio, which is like old school Chrissy. I'm not sure, but like let me know how you feel. Anywho, you guys have seen me do this a million times. I'm pretty much just setting the wig. I did actually go through with some camera flat iron spray at like the base of it, of course, and kind of allowed that to dry a little bit. You guys are getting a chance to see me do that again. And then once I'm like comfortable, y'all hear Dakota in the back. She's so disrespectful. Y'all, I cannot. Okay, so first of all, I'm not deleting that out of this because that's hilarious. Nevertheless, y'all see I'm going through Dakota. Hold on now. Listen, can you stop? Yo, oh my god. So for anybody that wants a cane corso, that's a day in a life with a cane corso. Hilarious. Meanwhile, I've managed to straighten out all my hair, so you guys can see the wig is laying super flat. Super happy with that. And from now, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like hit it with the hot comb, and I already did that. Hit it with the flat iron, and I'm pretty much done. Yeah, so be really careful when you're applying these sprays, because y'all can see, listen, okay, I've burned myself quite a few times. So I would much rather do this on like a wig head so I can really kind of get into it the way I want to. But for demonstration purposes, I want to kind of be realistic of what you might be doing at home, and just, you know, so you know, don't be alarmed, you know. Now, I know I get a ton of questions. You guys are always wondering like, hey, can I wear the wig up in a ponytail? Yes, you absolutely can. This unit, when I tell you it was just well constructed, I'm super happy about it. The hair felt very thick, soft. It was doing what it needed to do. And y'all know I've swapped out my Gotta Be glue spray for the Pump It Up. And you guys, when I tell you, I'm trying to figure out why I was not using Pump It Up to install my wigs to begin with. Like, this product allows the unit to literally stay in place, does not move. I don't have to worry about it at all. And you guys know my first wig, it's for like the beginner wig wearer, right? So straight out of the gate, freshly bleached knots. You're also going to have that pre-plucked, HD lace, skin melt, all that. But y'all, watch this transformation, okay? So obviously, you guys have seen me like straighten my hair 1,000,001 times. That's not the surprise. You guys can see how thick and full it is, all that good stuff. But when it's time to actually do the reveal, y'all, this melt, crazy, okay? And keep in mind, the only product that I've used thus far is the camera flat iron spray, which is available at Ulta, and then the Pump It Up. That's literally it. Y'all know every now and then I have to pull out my handy dandy 2-inch FHI flat iron. I've kind of switched over to the EAP heat, but y'all, it's just undeniable. I'm thinking I may need to go ahead and maybe check out Ming's the 2-inch flat iron. Yeah, I don't know why I don't have it actually. So that's something I need to go ahead and invest in. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just smooth this out. You guys can see just how silky the hair looks. I don't have like any shine or nothing, literally nothing on this. And then of course for any flyaways, which there were not many, but I did go ahead and kind of apply a little bit more camera flat iron spray in combination with the Pump It Up. Very light-handed though. Don't go crazy. Don't be walking around with no crispity crackety hair, okay? So are y'all realizing that I still have not cut the lace? All right, because I literally just realized that. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some scissors. You don't have to do anything funky. I know people will tell you, oh, cut in zigzags. Tell them get better lace, okay? Because that's not the way. You should not have to fight with the lace to get it to melt in. And you guys can see it's completely intact. I'm just taking a little bit of the Cream of Nature mousse, which actually is not Cream of Nature mousse. It's actually the Bronner Brothers Professional foam wrap. But I ran out of the Cream of Nature mousse, and yeah, I just kind of transferred the product. But yeah, don't judge, okay? And I'm just gonna go over the top of that with the Pump It Up. So just kind of reseal and set it into place. Because sometimes when you don't cut the lace off before you actually kind of like lay it down and do the melt, you'll see where kind of it like lifts up on the side. It's just this very like weird and kind of it's giving stiff, right? So you kind of want to soften it up and just get it back to like doing what it needs to do. So you guys, look at the, oh my god, the pluck. Yes, some wigs don't need baby hairs, and this was definitely one of them. Of course, I know most of you guys think that they all don't need baby hairs. But the thing is, I'm giving you what you asked for, okay? Look at this wig. It looks super soft. It was super bouncy and flowy. I think I wore this for maybe about 3-4 days. I know, but it's a long time for me. So there's that. You guys, this lace looks really, really good. And of course, every single detail will be listed in my description box. So don't forget to check that out. The length, all that good stuff. The cap is average. I know that's another question you always give me. And then, yeah, I'm just adding a few curls. You guys can see just how thick and full it is. I didn't trim anything because I was unsure on like, did I want to do layers or just what? But I thought it looked really, really pretty just as is. You guys be the judge. But anywho, that's pretty much it for the video. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, babies.